I just wanted to say something while I'm out here cleaning these driveways. Is no discrimination, guys. Everybody has the right to a clean property, no matter what. Okay? White, black, Chinese, green, purple, whatever color you are. They got me over here in the hood, which is no big deal because I'm not prejudiced, and I get along with people in the hood because well, I can understand where they come from, and I'm in the same boat. I live in the hood myself. All right. So anyway, while you're out there doing a job, make sure you're doing a good job. The same job you would do in Palm Beach, the same job you need to be doing over here in the hood. Have some respect. You'd be surprised when a man says thank you. That's a lot of gratitude, and that means a lot. Especially coming from somebody who might not like you at all. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Make that money, alright?